my channel. Today we are doing February BOXYCHARM, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video. Don't even know I have to mention it at this point, but let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, this month's theme, as you all can guess, is Valentine's Day. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna start with the Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This is kind of interesting. One of my favorite bronzers in my collection that I actually did get from BOXYCHARM is a Wonder Beauty bronzer, and so I'm actually kind of excited for this. It says, your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango sweet butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, this sounds gorgeous, honestly. I'm excited to test this out, but before we do get into the eyes, I'm going to use this blush. I'm just going in with the Alamar Cosmetics complexion brush, and this is a little more pinky than what I am used to, but we're just gonna use it. Oh, it's really pretty though. Kind of like matches my shirt, I feel like. It just like brings the slightest color back to the skin. I think it's cute. It's like just a blush that's gonna make you look like you just saw your crush walk in. He looking fine, she looking good, whatever you're into, but it's just gonna make you like look like you got those butterflies in your tummy. It's really pretty. I actually really like that, surprisingly. I'm really surprised because I don't like this shade of blush usually. But next we're gonna go in with the After Hours highlighter, and I'm using my highlighter brush, the ColourPop F33. I'm just going to dip into this shade. Ooh, dang, she pigmented. It's a pretty highlight, and it gives you a really freaking bright glow. Not very subtle at all, so if you're not into subtle, I'm not a subtle glow kind of person. I like to shine, so I like this highlighter. I'm kind of getting away from like the lighter color highlighters. I like a more like bronze color just because it kind of fits my skin tone a little better, but this is really pretty, and I do like to pack it on there. And I'll take some down my nose. That's pretty. I'll do like a bright highlight on my nose. Why? I don't know, because my nose is big, but I do. I like my nose to shine. Shine, shine, shine. And then, of course, the most important place, your upper lip. You never want to forget your Cupid's bow. I freaking love this spot for highlight. Like, I don't know what it is. Look at that shine. Oh, she cute. Okay, okay. I'm hyper right now. I don't know why. And if you're wondering if I ever do my hair anymore, you're right. The answer is no. I don't do my hair anymore for videos. I just throw it up and call it a day. Let's go in to do our eyes now. As you can tell from these shadows, this is probably just going to be a very natural, bronzy kind of look, but I'm good with that. Okay, excuse me. Well, okay, I'm gonna get a little close up right now. As you can see, there's so much fallout on my face. It's from the shimmer, so I would suggest you do the eyes at the beginning if that is something you are going to worry about. But since I set my face, it is really just easy to like hair flip that stuff away. Other than that, I really enjoyed this palette. It's so blendable, so easy to work with, and creamy. I feel like it's very pigmented. I didn't really have to work at building up the shadows or shades at all. And this palette, MSRP is for $36, so that is very handy. 6 shadows, a blush, and highlight. Hell yeah. Okay, the face is all done. Now I'm gonna go in with the new setting spray that I got. This is the Beauty Crop Coco Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist. This is very interesting to me. It says, this hydrating fine mist envelopes skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Coco Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. So you can spray onto clean skin to prep or after makeup application to set and finish for a dewy glow. Rehydrate makeup throughout the day to freshen your look and enhance its finish. I guess we're gonna set our face and see if this leaves any gold sparkle on our face. Let me test the sprayer first. Oh shoot, that is a mister. I mean, there's a little bit of gold reflect on there, but not enough to like point it out or anything. Let's see what it looks like on the face. Oh my God. Good Lord. I think my neighbors could have held this from their house and squirted me and it would have just done fine. This is intense. This ain't a mist. This is a damn hose. That is crazy. I want to see if you guys can see this. Look. Did you see? Oh, there's my belly. That's cool. Did you see this? It's a freaking shoots so far, but look, you can see some gold reflect up here. But I don't hate it. Like, I think it's pretty. It does leave the face feeling very hydrated and very shiny and dewy.
We're glowing, we're glowing, we're glowing, glowing, glowing.
Anyway, this bad boy was $15, $14.99, but I like this. I kind of like it. Other than the hose that squirts to the moon. But next we have the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. It's natural ingredients, improves scalp health, removes product buildup. Use me pre-wash. So this is kind of cool. The packaging is so freaking cute. Literally love this. It says, for the babe who wants healthy hair, start with scalp scrub. Made with coffee and rosemary, this exfoliating scalp scrub, say that 10 times fast. Can't even say it once. Scalp scrub removes product buildup and detoxifies your scalp so you can think about dropping it, flipping it, and working it all over the place once you're done. Interesting. So it's natural and cruelty-free, which we love. I think tomorrow's my wash day. I know y'all are thinking, girl, you needed to have a wash day like 2 days ago. But I only wash my hair. I try to do it only once a week. Sometimes it ends up being 2, but I'm definitely gonna try this tomorrow if I wash my hair. Maybe I will have used this by the time I upload this video and I will insert how I enjoyed it here. I've never got a hair product in my BOXYCHARM box before, so that's cool. But this guy was $18.95. Next, it's the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion. This is kind of cool, just perfect for Valentine's Day. It is a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. I did just start doing my nails at home and I don't have a cuticle oil, so that is really cool that I got this. It says you'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. This cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. So I'm just gonna take some and put some on my cuticles. It's got a little eyedropper. It's very strong scented. It's got a very like floral scent. I'm not really into floral scents. I don't love that, but I do like the idea of a cuticle oil. My cuticles are so bad, so anything I can do to help them is very much appreciated. I guess I just won't breathe while I put this on so I don't have to smell it. It is very oily. Like my hands are very much oiled up, but I do like the idea of a coconut. Or why do I keep saying coconut? I do like the idea of a cuticle oil, so put that in my nail stash kit. And I do plan on doing a nail video. I have been doing my poly gel nails from home. I have not done them in a few weeks, so the next time I do them, I think I'm gonna record it and then upload it to my channel, so be on the lookout for that if that's something you're into. Oh, and this cuticle oil was $18. And then our last item is the Saturday Skin.
Why do they always gotta put things in here that I can't pronounce?
Yuzu, Y-U-Z-U, Vitamin C Sleep Mask. This is interesting. I do love that it's lemon. Ooh, this just is so fun. Like, I like this packaging. It literally looks like a lemon. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It comes with this little like spoon guy. That's fun. Now, I don't know why I was expecting it to be like white, but it's like, it literally looks like the inside of like a lemon pie or something. That's so fun. I love this. I'm excited to try it tonight. It says a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the Yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. So that is really cool. I am really excited to try this out. It says you apply it after your moisturizer, leave on overnight, and you may use it 3 to 5 days a week. So yeah, love this. Like, this is so cute. 10 out of 10 packaging. 10 out of 10. Yellow is one of my favorite colors too. And this was $29. Okay, so going back through our products, let's add up the total value of our box. So to start off, we have the Wonder Beauty palette for $36, the Frank Body Scalp Scrub for $18.95, the Beauty Crop Coco Gold Mist Setting Spray for $14.99, the LA Beauty So Rich Love Potion Cuticle Oil for $18, and then the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask for $29 for a total of $116.94. Honestly, this is one of my lowest priced boxes that I think I've ever gotten in BOXYCHARM. I don't even think it hit the guaranteed valued price box. I think every box is guaranteed a value of like $120 or $125. So that doesn't even hit the mark for that, but it's not that big an issue to me because I've been well over into the 200s before. And so it kind of just evens itself out. Like, I'm not worried about it at all, but that's kind of interesting. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, if you got any of these items in your box and you guys liked them and didn't like them, let me know down in the comments. I want to know. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile so you never miss. What are you doing? Go out and make the world smile. I'm so over myself with the... How do you not do that? Like, do I need therapy? Do I need to go therapy for it? I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't know. Shanelle, hurry before your husband gets home. Stop jacking around. Hey guys, why do I do that? I'm running out of arm space. Ew, something in my teeth. This is the 3rd freaking video in a row. Oh, it's snowing. Yay. Your tail is in the video. What are you doing? Get out of here, almost birthday boy. That's my bubble will be 2 years old tomorrow. You're gonna be 2 years old tomorrow.